So first thing, let us know some basic concepts that we all most of you might know that from your childhood, but some of you might know that but might not remember right now. So we'll just do a refresher, right? So suppose I write a number 1 7 17. You see, okay, let me erase it and write it again. I write a number 1 7 17. We know the first number, first digit and the rightmost is the 1th place. We know that, don't we? Similarly, the second from the rightmost is the 10th. Okay, now let's take a bigger number. Suppose we take 527. Again, same thing applies here. The first one is 1, second one is 10th, third one is what comes after 10? 100th. Yeah, good. So this is the thing. Similarly, let us take another bigger number. Suppose we take a number like 1625. Then same thing applies. 1, 10th, 100th, 1000. Okay, this is the basic thing that we all knew already. So what is new in this course? I'll tell you about that. One more thing that you knew, I would like to refresh one more thing that we already knew. Just check this out. Right. So this is in the 10th place. So can we write 17 as 1, which is the digit in the 10th place, into the place that is 10th, plus 7, which is the digit in the 1th place, into 1, that is the place. We can write 17 is this format as well. Everyone agrees over you? Yeah, I think everyone agrees. Similar, let us go to the second number, 527, right? 5 is in the 100th place, so we can write 5 into the place 100, plus 2 is in the 10th place, 2 into the place 10, and we have 7. We can write it in this format as well. Similarly, I think you can say how to write 1625 as well. Okay, so we'll write 1 into 1 is in the 1000 place, plus 6 into 100, plus 2 into 10, plus 5. Okay. Suppose I given another number like 745. Now that we know this concept, we can write directly this as 7 is in the 100 place, we write directly write 700. 4 is in the 10 place, we directly write 40. 5 in the 1 place, we write directly write 5. Instead of writing this into, instead of writing that, we directly write this. Now you must be wondering, why am I saying this to you? Just wait a minute and you will see the magic happening. Okay, let me write. Okay, I changed the page. This is a blank page. Now see what I'm doing. Now the concept that we learned just right now, let me show it to you once again. This thing. You see how 75 is been converted to another format. 745 is written in another format. We wrote 745 as 700 plus 40 plus 5. You got that? Okay. Now why I told you to do it in that format? Let us see the magic happen. All right. First of all, let's do some addition. Let us say 2 digit. We can do it just by watching. Most of us can do it. If you can't, then you need a little bit of practice. Otherwise, most people can do the 2 digit addition by just looking. All right. Let us just see a 3 digit addition. Suppose you have 797 plus 242. Alright, now okay, just see, I'll do this but little bit slowly. After that I'll do it a little bit faster. Now this is 3 digit, this is all, both the numbers are 3 digit, so we go for the leftmost digit, okay, which is the 100th place. Alright, so we go for the 100th place of both the numbers. We have 7 and the sign between them, this sign between them is plus 2. 7 plus 2, that is 9, and since it is in the 100th place, we add 2 zeros. You see what I did? Okay, similarly 9 plus 4, This is in the 10th place. So 9 plus 4 is 13. Into 10, we add 1 0. Plus 7 plus 2 is 9. 9. Now adding this won't be that difficult. 900 plus 130. The 0 comes as it is. 90 plus 13 is 103 plus 9, which is equals to 1039. Isn't it a simple way? And we can do this in our mind as well, without we can even omit this particular step if we do this whole thing in our mind. Let us try to do that. Let's take one more example. 415 plus 216. Suppose this is our example. Now 100 plus 4 plus 2, that is 6, so we can directly write 600 in our mind. Then 1 plus 1, the 10th place, that is 2, so we can directly write 20, that gives us 620. 5 plus 6, the unit place, we are adding the unit place. 5 plus 6, that is 11, so directly write 631. Isn't that easy? Okay, now let us see what happens if we have this subtraction instead of addition. Process would always be same. That's why I took one class for both addition and subtraction, because both are same thing. Now I will say why they are same. Just wait a minute. Okay, let's just give it a look. 797 minus 242. Right, now we see. Let us take. Okay, so this is first to go for the 100th place, because that is the maximum place. 100th place, here we have 7, here we have 2, and the middle sign here is minus, so we will do 7 minus 2, not 7 plus 2. In the above case, over here in the above case, we had middle sign as plus. You see that? That's why we did 7 plus 2. Here we have middle sign as minus, so we will do 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5, and it is in the 100th place, so we will write directly 500. Okay, then we have 9 at the 10th place, and 9 minus 4. You see that? 9 minus 4 is 5, and it is the 10th place, so we'll directly do 50. The 500 plus 50 is 550. Right? Then 7 minus 2, the unit place, that is 5, so we get 555. Right? See that? It's not that difficult, is it? So this was all about this method. You can apply the same method to larger number as well. Let me show this to you. Let us take another example. Suppose we have 5197, 2422, and we are asked to add this. Alright, the convection method would be 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11, 1 carry 1, 4 plus 6, 4 plus 2, and 5 plus 2 7. This is how we do it in convection method. But if it was in the normal method, the shortcut method, then we would do it directly in our mind. Let's try to do it in our mind. We have learned the method, how it is done. Now let's try to do this. Doing this in the mind is slightly difficult, but doing this particular thing that we just learned right now in mind is comparatively easier. So let us try to do. So we have 10th, not the 10th, the 1000th place. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, the 1000th place, we have 5 and 2. So we have 7000 in our mind already. 7000. Then in the 100th place, 1 and 4 plus 500. We have 7500 in our mind. Then in the 10th place, we have 9 and 2. That is 110. 7500 plus 110. That we can calculate in our mind. That is 7610. Then this thing, 7 and 2, 9. 7610 plus 9, 7619. Okay, see, without even touching pen and paper, you can do this particular thing. I know most of you might find it difficult, like I did in my mind. You were unable to do that. That's completely fine. Just try doing some more questions using the method, and using paper and pen. You use this particular method that we have done in the above questions, the above shortcut that I told you. Using that, do the above questions or similar questions you can try at your home. After that, slowly, once you're familiar with the method after doing a lot of questions, then you can try doing it in your mind, and I can guarantee you 100% I'm sure that you can do it very easily. So that was it. See you in the next video. We'll start the multiplication. Alright, goodbye.